Hi everyone, welcome back. I wanted to show you what a studio looked like at Copper Creek. I had done a video with my Mickey Travels friends when we went and saw the cabin and the one bedroom. Now the thing about this is we ended up getting a pretty sweet room. This is not your typical studio room, but it still sleeps 4 people. I will put our room number below and I will talk about how we requested it. We requested actually the 6th floor, but we're on the 4th floor, so I have no words. I'm so excited to be in this room. So here's Mike checking it all out. This is our first time using our Disney Vacation Club. All right, so we'll start here. You walk in the front door. There's a lovely mirror, tons of room. And up here we have a little extra pillow, blanket. That ironing board with, if you iron on vacation, please leave a comment below because I want to know who irons on vacation. All right, so it was a little hard for me to show you guys these cupboards when we were doing the other tour, but look, you got a toaster oven, little ice thing, you've got your coffee mugs with real coffee mugs, so if you're a tea person or coffee person, they're real. Let's see, the kitchenette, lots of spots to put your food. We have the Disney quick service dining plan, so we got our mugs already. Over here we have a microwave and a fridge and a real coffee maker, and I think they even gave us a couple little coffee things to start with, which was super nice. Little to-go coffee mugs. We have the drawer with utensils. They are those are plastic. The bottle opener, wine opener, can opener are all real. Ooh, more paper towels down there. Fire extinguisher, very good. And so this couch here, I'm gonna get on the other side of it. The couch here folds out so you could fit 2 other people. You have the TV and the drawers so you could fit all sorts of clothes. You've got the husband out there enjoying the phone, and we have a view of the pool, which will be fun at night. Maybe we can see the nighttime electric parade. The windows have the shades we could pull down. There's an outlet behind the couch, and this outlet on this side has the USB plug so you could charge your phone. Do we have one over here too? Nope, just on that side. There is an outlet down there so you could charge your phone in a regular charger. Over here, what does this light switch to? That takes care of the light in the living room. Now in here we have another little like 1-person standing balcony. That is so cute. We've got our little table, so if we wanted to eat breakfast, if we grabbed food, if we bought groceries, it'll spot. The bed, I love the woodwork behind the bed, the headboard there. More light. Lots of drawer space. So here on this side of the bed, we've got 2 plugs, 2 USB things, and we are here for a Run Disney weekend, so they left us in the room with the race information, which is great. Even if you're not running the race, you kind of get some information where you understand the roads are going to be impacted, the parks will be a little busier. I love the bureau. I know I said this a million times in my, I said it a gazillion times when we toured the cabin and the 1 bedroom. I love the style and the aesthetic of the Copper Creek rooms. It's just, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm from New Hampshire. That's what I want my house to look like. You know, camping, but not really camping. Like these cute little details. Cub's Den. We are at Copper Creek. They do have a Boulder Ridge. We call it Boulder Cove. Nice big TV with more outlets down there. Let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, lights. We have a hairdryer in the bag, We have a real, ooh, it's a heavy shower curtain too. This bathroom is so ginormous. But real shower curtain. It's kind of heavy. A couple spots to hang the towels. I like the tile work in here too. It's really pretty. You can totally get how this is a little bit different from the one bedroom, where the one bedroom had a washer and dryer, has a full kitchen. It's got that cool glass work between the bedroom and the bathroom. But yeah, not a bad studio. Like, this is just the studio. We're gonna just walk on out. You can get one more slow little glimpse. And this door right there would lead to another room. And I will look that up online and link it below, see which one it leads to. Whew, hot mess. So we arrived today. Obviously the room is nice and neat, which is why I'm showing you today. But we hit the Run Disney Expo. We've been walking and it is hot in Florida. It's not so hot in New Hampshire right now. That's why, hot mess. So I hope you enjoyed the studio, the funky studio at Copper Creek. I am in love. Let me know. Would you stay here? Leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time.